Excuse me, young lady, I'm talking to you. Excuse me. So what the hell did you think you were acting in there? No, tell me, who the hell do you think you are?
Hey, is it because was calm inside there?
I don't give a damn. Do you know who I am? No, tell me, do you know who I am? Do you know who my father is?
Are you okay? Are you normal?
I'm okay. I'm normal. I'm just asking you a damn question. Do you know who I am?
I see you're crazy.
Oh, you're the one that is mad. You're the one that is crazy.
Senseless.
You're the one that is sick. You're a stupid
Your hands on my eye because if you
And what can you do? You can do nothing. You can do nothing. How do you think you are? Do you know my father?
What's the problem?
Wait.
Yeah, I'm the manager in charge of this place.
And who the hell are you?
I'm the manager of this place. What's the problem?
And I don't give a damn. And I'm not talking to you. So, shh, go back where you came from. Back.
Madam, listen,
go back.
Listen, madam. I'm talking to you politely, but you're sounding rude. I think I have to call the security.
Oh, do whatever you think you can. Shh, just go away.
Can you listen to yourself?
Do you think you are?
You don't have manners.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are you mad? You're telling me do you know who my father is?
I don't care.
Do you know who I am?
I don't care who your father is.
Oh, really? Then I will show you who the hell I am. Next time, you learn how to talk to me.
Yes. You listen.
What can you do?
Just hold on.
You can do nothing. You can do nothing. I'm not scared of you.
MAJID, how far now? You enjoying you?
Are you?
Where did you drink, Gary? Hey, poverty.
Eh?
Which one is Gary?
You cannot put Gary under the category of poor man.
Oh, guy, you are broke. You are broke. That's why you're drinking Gary.
You know how much Gary is?
Even at that, even if I know it's expensive, go and get a job. If you get a job, you will not be drinking. You won't even send Gary again, sir. Which one is drinking Gary? Telling me it's not.
How about you?
Me, I'm fine, sha. I'm trying. I'm looking for a job. I know it's not easy. What is it again?
Come on, I got a new move I want to show you.
Hey, new move. Why is it now that I'm in your house you want to do new move?
Look, I've told you, Barry. You have muscle mass. If I train you, you'll be a weapon.
See, I understand you, but for me, I don't need this, your training. I don't need it. The one you have, to me, is enough for me and you now. Now.
I want to show you something new. Come.
What?
Come. All right.
Don't enjoy me.
No. So if the guy grabs your neck on the wall.
I'll hit the hand around the way now.
What if he's way bigger than you?
Okay, me, I'll just run. I don't care. I won't even do back safe. I can run on that one. I know that one very well. Okay.
Okay. You raise this.
Hey, no. No.
One more, last one.
You remove my jaw.
Right. All right, when they grab your shirt like this.
Last one.
Last one. Grab me. You grab.
What's it now? Who's gonna have you out?
Sorry.
How do you injure me? I'm not doing again. I'm not doing again. Which one is gentleman's touch? I'm sorry. Me, I no go lie.
These are just hooks and holds.
Oh, go and get a job. All this is you're doing, you're just wasting your time. Go and get a job.
The government is who you know.
Okay.
I can't believe I was in that smelly, stinking cell for some hours. I can't believe. Please, Abed, let me go shower.
Stop right there, young lady. Stop right there. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You keep jumping from one police station to the other, keep getting into trouble while your mates are busy working and earning money. You're just busy spending my money.
Dad, just don't start, please.
Shut up, I must start. Who do you think you are? It is because you love freedom. You don't want to do anything but to spend my money.
And how is that my fault?
It is your fault because you love not to do anything.
Please.
And because you live in this house. I will shut down this house. And you come live with me.
No, Dad. You can't do that because I am not going to live with you!
Of course I can, my friend. This house is mine. You are mine. I will shut it down so that you can come back to your senses. And I'm going to do right that. Try me and you will see.
No, you will not, Daddy. You will not!
We shall see.
I hate you! Babe, few hours in that cell felt like 24 days. Like I was literally dying. I felt like dying.
Omo.
Gosh.
Girl. Who be that girl? Where I smart you, a whole Natasha, to the extent of putting in police cell. Girl, she must be very, very connected.
Yes, I think she's connected. And I underrated her. Babe, trust me, everything happened so fast. And guess what? At the station, all the policemen were just saying, yes, ma, yes, ma, yes, ma to her.
And what did your father say when he got there?
That old man, I beg, leave him. He was just shouting when he causes and threatening me to take me back to the house.
Which house?
The family house, of course.
You can't let that happen.
Me. So you think after tasting this freedom, I'll go back to that prison and enslave myself? Girl, you must be joking.
Shouldn't even think of it, my dear. He shouldn't even think of it.
I'd rather run away. Yes, I'll leave this country than go back to the house. He will never see me again. I'll go far away from him.
And where are you going to run off to? You know you cannot even provide for yourself. And you need his money to survive.
Exactly.
I think you have a point there. You know what? I think I have to act smart. Yes, I have to think and act smart. Because that man is something else. Yes.
Go back now. Go back.
Are you mad?
You are out of your senses. Come on, get back.
Okay,
Go back. Go back.
This stupid man.
My friend, go back. Go back.
Oga, move back. Are you deaf? Oga, move back. Can't you drive?
I can see that you don't have respect in your
You
dictionary.
are the old man that cannot drive well. Move this thing back. Move this thing.
not receive ordinary driving school.
Oh, shut up and move this car back. Are you mad? Is this the way they drive?
Go back. If I get on you, I'm going to get out.
I'm warning you.
Move this thing out of the way.
How
If
dare
you
you?
touch me again,
See,
I'll
I'm
use this
sorry.
Oga, shut up and move this
I'm
car.
talking to you.
Oga, don't let me slap.
Where is
Oga, leave her alone.
something wrong with you?
Leave her alone.
Oga,
Go back.
Leave her alone.
Go back.
take your hands off me.
Go
Are
back.
you mad? We are not going
Go
back.
back.
We are not going back.
Go back. Go back.
We are not moving back. Take this thing back. You cannot.
Move back.
Can you imagine? Carry
Go
this
back.
You are
car
trying
out.
us. Do you know who I
Go
am?
back.
Do you know who my father is? Shut up and move this
I
car.
don't care who your father is. Your father, my foot.
That is that all you have to say? Someone beat up your daughter. And all you have to say is, okay, now you're blaming me as if it's my fault.
Shut up, you spoiled brat. Shut up. You and your friends were drunk and you hit a man. And you're behaving as if you're the victim. What's wrong with you?
But Daddy, he has no right to beat me like I am his child. I am not his child.
Up. Shut up. Are you listening to me? Now I'm tired of this nonsense. You are packing your things and following me to the house right now.
Daddy, no. I am not going anywhere with you. I am not leaving this house, Daddy. I'm not.
Then that will be done under one condition.
Conditions. So what are your conditions?
That I get you a bodyguard who stays with you 24/7. That's the only way you can stay here.
Daddy, no, you're not serious. A bodyguard? What for? Daddy, I'm asking you.
Natasha, the choice is yours.
Daddy, you have to answer me.
Natasha, a bodyguard or you come live.
So where will he stay? Where will he go and come every day? This old man is so annoying. I don't need a bodyguard. Gosh.
But babe, seriously, your dad is serious about this.
But you have to choose one out of the two options.
And I'm definitely not going back living under his roof. No way.
Oh, that means you want the bodyguard. It's okay, it's fine. No, I think it's the best option for me. Yeah, the bodyguard.
He's a guy. And what's come to us? We feel they use the scratch back.
Abuse.
Just this season.
Exactly.
It's as if you girls are not serious. Like, can you hear yourself talk? Wait, let me tell you something. If my dad is going for a bodyguard, trust me, he's going for a professional one. Oh, you girls think he's going to pick one Tom down the street? You guys don't know that man. That man is wise.
Let him bring whoever he wants to bring. Oh, drug him and go to wherever we want to go.
This is my problem with you. You're always saying rubbish. Okay, fine. No. You guys, stop laughing. No, this is a serious matter. Fine. Okay, we'll drug him today. Good. Are we going to drug him tomorrow again? No, tell me. For how long?
Girl, you know what? It's okay, it's fine. Let him come. Sha? Let him come. We'll figure it out.
I hope so, babe, because I'm just sick and tired with my dad. That old man is a bone in the throat. Gosh! Oh, please.
Oh, rich man picking and their wahala. I to get wahala
I can say that. Can you just stop this?
Me, I like my life like this, so no stress.
Hey, please, help me! Please help me! Ah! Help me!
Oh, what? What do you want? What is wrong with you? This man is old enough to be your father.
Move on. Ah.
I'm not here to cause any trouble.
Move on.
I'm saying this man is old enough to be your father. Just take your time. Take
Who are you?
I'm really sorry about that.
How did you do this?
It's just self-defense, that's all.
I'm grateful. This is wonderful. You disarmed those miscreants?
It's fine. So you need to be careful in this area. There are a lot of them around.
I will. I'd like you to come to my office. Please.
Sure, sir.
I live 15 John Crescent. Please, John Otigba Street. Now, my name is Chief Dominic Otigba. My company is on 15 Otigba Street.
Sir, your name precedes you. I know the name.
Please come. I'd like to appreciate you've done so well for me now.
Sir, it's nothing. I mean, it's nothing. Just be
Without
careful.
you, I would have lost my wristwatch. I would have lost my life.
I know. I'm sorry about that, sir.
I'm grateful. Please, do come.
Sure,
come.
sir.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting. Please make sure you come.
Sir, be careful out there.
I will. Thank you. Wow. Thank you.
Dominic Otigba. Wait. You mean you just said Dominic Otigba?
You know, the guy looks completely different. I didn't know he was the one. I've seen him in the news a couple of times, but the guy looks different in real life. So you mentioned his name.
You just said the millionaire. A billionaire. That man has money. That man is loaded. Hey! Do you know that man flew my cousin away one time ago because she used to work for him?
Those guys would have malhandled. They knew exactly who he was. These guys are not even real thieves. After I hit that one, they run away.
Hi. Do you know who you just
Look, that watch, I'm sure will be like 20 million naira. They want to take the watch away from me.
just like that. That man is loaded.
Hey, really?
See, I think this our poverty has ended. This your fighting thing to me. That's finally paid off.
Look, I've told you. Look, let me train you. When I set up this company, you run a department.
Leave that one. Leave the training part. At least you are doing it. He's paying you now. He's paying me and you.
No, I'll go to the office tomorrow.
You're going to see him tomorrow. But before that, he didn't offer you money.
Okay, the guy went for jogging. Who carries money on their when they're going jogging?
What are you talking about? A billionaire. You saved his life. I didn't give him money.
Billionaires don't even carry cash.
I know. But then we are suffering now. You don't at least ask.
I should ask. Are you serious? Even if you gave me, I won't have to.
You won't take. This your pride. To me, I don't think it's pride, but I think it's foolishness. Oh yeah, no. When are you going to see?
Maybe tomorrow. You give me the address.
Maybe. Ha! Come and be going to see him today now. Come.
No, not today.
Come and go and see that man.
Don't get today.
Ha!
I'll go.
Hey, you don't know how this is doing. We are not doing this over you.
Yes, come in.
Welcome, man. How are you? Sit. Whoa, you mesmerized me, you know, the way you were dealing with those boys. Where did you learn those skills?
Oh, so that's a very bad neighborhood. We have to keep it clean.
Yeah.
So I actually grew up in the barracks. My dad was a soldier. So he passed when I was very young. And there was a lot of activities going on in the barracks at the time where we have soldiers from Germany and different parts of the world come down, and these soldiers used to teach martial arts, mixed martial arts, boxing. So I had a great interest in these activities. I picked it up from there.
Wow. So what do you do now for a living?
So as of now, it's been tough. I'm unemployed. But I've always dreamt of working with the government. I actually learned psychology and security analysis. My dream is to set up a security company.
Really?
Where I have security men go in and take care of big firms, domestic.
Really? Then I have a job for you. It's akin to your security thing. The only thing is that you'll have to protect my daughter.
Your daughter?
Yes. You know, she has a job. Not that she actually needs one. She's rich. You know, she just gets into trouble with the police all the time. You know, with those kind of boys you want to deal with. You know. But I need her protected. So I need you to do that sort of thing. Be with her 24/7. Like a shadow, you know, a bodyguard. I need someone to protect her for 24/7. If she's going to the toilet, stand by the door. If she's in the bedroom, you'll be by the door. If she's in the kitchen, you'll be there with her. If she's in the car, you'll be there with her. You'll be there all the time with her. That's the job I want to offer you.
Oh wow, so that means if I'm supposed to be there 24/7, is there a place there?
Absolutely, there is a mansion. So you have a place to play around. I will offer you
Talking 500,000 a month with 200,000 as room allowance. How does that sound?
500,000 naira.
Yes.
Sir.
We have a deal? Wow!
Say no more, sir.
There's a deal?
Say no more.
Great, great.
So he wants me to be the bodyguard to his daughter. He wants me to go with her wherever she goes, to be close to her. And guess what? He wants me to stay in the house.
Stay in the house with his daughter? Yes. Me, I know Chief. I know him very much, but I don't know his daughter is such a headache.
You should have heard him. He said she sleeps in police cells sometimes. Sounds like the girl is terrible. But forget all that. Guess how much he wants to pay?
Which one is I should guess how much he wants to pay? If you gave him money, tell me you gave him money.
Did he? I haven't started the job yet.
Why are you now telling me to guess now?
Guess how much he wants to pay monthly.
See, Kevin, I'm not good at guessing, and you know this. Just go straight to the point.
500,000 naira.
Zilai! Zilai! No! Oh, I always see that this your...
Wait. 500,000 naira and 200,000 to buy shirt and trousers.
Wait, 500,000 a month. Initial 200,000 to buy...
So that's... 700.
I've always known that this your...
You never knew anything.
But at least I've been supporting you now, Shibi. So that means I knew indirectly. So how much for me, as you know, like we see now?
How much for you? As what?
As your sidekick.
Sidekick? Who doesn't know how to fight?
Oh yeah, come. I'm ready. I'm ready to learn.
You're ready to learn?
Come and teach me first now. Teach me now.
You want to do? It's too late.
Natasha! You can see what I am talking about. You can smell everywhere. Tobacco. She does so many stupid things I don't understand. Natasha, here you are. Come. Natasha.
Daddy, you're welcome.
Thank you. This whole place is choking with smoke. I don't know how you got... Anyway, that's not why I'm here. This is Kevin. Kevin is your bodyguard. He will be here 24/7. He will protect you. He will guide you. He will also make sure you don't bring violence to yourself or violence to others. He will make sure that you become the lady that I want you to be. You become a human being, actually.
Dad, you're joking. That was the use of him being my bodyguard. He'll be choking me in this house.
That's the idea, to choke you.
No!
Look at how you're choking me here with every kind of smoke. He will choke you into reality. He will choke you into being a human being. He will choke you into reasonableness. He will choke you into being a lady. He will choke you into being a human being. Choke her. Choke her. Choke.
Daddy, no. He's not staying in this house. Take him back with you, because he's not staying here. No! No! He's not taking back with you! Gosh!
Now you can experience this firsthand. This is what I told you. You have your job cut out, Kevin.
Yes?
Your dad said you've caused so much trouble in town that people after you. I'm gonna have to change the locks to the door.
Excuse me, young man. This is my bedroom. What are you doing here?
I'll need to change the locks to this door.
Where are you going? What are you doing here?
I'll just change the lock to that door. The window here is too small, you can't go through it. I'll never go.
Gosh. What are you doing here?
This is where I'm supposed to be.
Like, are you for real? You are choking me!
Remember what your father said.
Can you just stop following me around and standing by my door? You know what? I can't deal with this anymore. I'm calling my dad to call this off. This is total madness! Gosh! You have to listen to me, okay? You have to listen to me. I don't have a problem with him living with me or staying with me. But this guy is invading my privacy. Like, he literally follows me everywhere I go. Oh, Dad, stop talking like that. I'm not a kid. Oh, will I jump off the window? No! So relax. I'm tired of this guy. Good. Take.
Sir. Very well, sir. Sure. Thank you.
Make sure you don't follow me.
Morning.
Morning.
I hope you slept well.
How can I sleep well when you are choking me?
Why don't you just take it like I'm protecting you?
You're protecting me from what?
From yourself and others.
So tell me, did my father tell you I'm a psycho or what? No, tell me.
No, he said no such thing.
Then what is it? Why are you here?
Your father is just very worried about this little girl.
Gosh, this is the problem I have with all of you. You guys think I'm a little girl. I'm a full-grown woman.
You might be a full-grown woman, but to your dad, you're still his little angel. And I believe something terrible might happen to him if anything happened to you.
When we stay together.
Okay, fine. I want us to do it this way, okay? You go home and rest. You'll get your food pay. And if he calls you, just tell him everything is fine. Just go.
Hold you closer and
That sounds very enticing. But I can assure you that I'm here watching you. But you'll never know. Maybe there's someone else who's watching me. Never underestimate rich men.
Need you. I'll do every little thing just
You're right,
to
though.
be with you.
Seems like you know my father too well.
Well, not as much as you do.
Whatever, just get lost. Just go.
I love you. Getting closer and closer. Always and forever with you.
Okay. Are to follow me out also? I want to ask you something, okay? I want to ask you something. How much did my father pay you? No, tell me how much so I will double it and let me be! Gosh!
I appreciate your generosity, but it's not about money. I'm already loyal to your father and no one can buy that. I suggest we go now, else you're going to be late.
Natasha, what are you doing here? You seldom come here.
Daddy, you need to withdraw that guy from me.
So what do I have to do?
Because he's choking me!
Oh, really? Okay. Okay. I will do him, but under the second condition that you come back to the house.
Dad, I don't want that either! No!
Oh, really? You will live with him for the rest of your life.
Are you serious? No, Daddy, what do you mean rest of my life? What?
Okay, if you don't want that option too, go and get married, find yourself a man, get married to him, and then I will withdraw the man. That's it.
No, Daddy, no, tell me you're joking. I thought it's the other way around, a man finding me, not me finding a man.
Oh, Natasha. Who will find you? Who? Which man will look for you like this? Oh, Natasha. I'm busy.
Daddy? It's you! It's you!
Never mind, it was my daughter.
Oh.
Oh, hey baby!
Hello! How are you doing?
I'm fine, you're welcome.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. So how are you?
I'm fine.
How was your day today?
My day was okay, and you?
Oh, it was okay, fine, beautiful, everything.
Oh.
Okay, you can have a seat.
Yeah. What's going on here? Who is it?
Oh, that's my reality.
Your reality?
Mm.
What do you mean by that?
He literally follows me everywhere I go. Everywhere.
Like everywhere?
Yes.
So he's gonna follow us to the bedroom?
Yes. No. He'll stand by the door.
Oh. It's okay. Oh man. Chill, okay? You know the place is very hot. Go outside and get yourself a cool drink. Okay? Oh. So how have you been doing?
I've been fine. Baby, you know what? Let's go to the bedroom.
I can't wait.
I can't wait either.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Oh my God. Oh gosh. I asked you to go outside and get yourself something to drink.
I don't drink on duty.
So why do you have to take my money?
I didn't, you gave it.
Yeah? Then give it to me back. Wow.
Maybe let's go.
I can't do this.
and everything is you. You're my everything, and everything is you. You're my everything, and everything is you. Ooh, you're my everything, and everything is you. Oh, sitting down here, think about the time we spent together. Pick up my phone, dial your number. Hey, just wanna holler. Now I got the clue. Oh, baby, see, I miss you.
Hey, baby. I'm fine. You're finally here. Thank you. I'm fine. Let's go to the bedroom.
No matter how it feels, we could work it out.
I really had fun. Thank you for coming. So I hope I'm gonna see you sooner. Okay. You be good. Bye. Okay, bye.
You're my everything, and everything is you. My everything is you. You're my everything, and everything is you.
Oh my God.
Everything is you. Oh, la, la. You're my everything, and everything is you, baby. You're my everything.
I didn't see any condoms.
And why are you looking for condoms? How is that your business?
That is my business, Natasha.
Really?
Your father paid me to make it my business. Your father paid me to protect you.
Okay.
Do you understand protection? I don't think you do because you don't use it with the men you sleep with. Your father told me about you, but I promise you I doubt your father knows how far your soul is gone. Is this really how you want to be living your life?
Oh.
From one man to the other? And you're not making money from it? What are you gaining from it? Is it just pleasure? Is there something in particular you want me to know? Is there anything you want to talk about? Because I'll be willing to help. Honestly, if I knew this is how far you had gone, I wouldn't have charged your father to take this job. I would have willingly wanted to save your soul.
Oh, really?
Because your soul is far gone, Natasha. When I was your age, I did a couple of stupid things. But it didn't end me anywhere.
Okay, fine. I've had all what you say. My personal Lord and Savior, my soul does not need a saving. Okay? And no, wait me. And if you're tired with whatever you're saying, please ask my dad to pay you off. You know why? Because this is my life and I will live it the way I want. It's none of your business. And why are you still standing there? Gosh, you're disgusting.
So that was what happened though. I was shocked.
That man is very stupid. Could you imagine such nonsense? Like, seriously? Oh.
Is that him?
Yeah, that's him. My monitoring spirit. Gosh.
So, what's his name?
I'm Kevin.
He looks really handsome and very hot.
Yeah, girl, it's not going to be a bad idea to have him from time to time. It's going to make him relax and compromise a little. Trust me.
No, baby girl. You see that Kelvin? He's so strict. and educated, he won't do such. Don't even try it, okay? Okay, let me try. Don't start. Bella.
Where are you going?
Hello. My name is Bella. And you? Kelvin. Oh, do you care for this? I mean, it's alcohol. Oh, you don't do alcohol. I can get you soft. Are you sure? I mean, come on. Why are you being so serious? Yeah, you need to calm down. Relax. This life is not that difficult as you make it seem. Okay? Take a good look at all these beauties surrounding you. We are going to help you unwind. Come on.
This one will not go area.
When we stay
Wait.
together
Is this what you're passing through? You're a very stupid girl. I warned you.
for the lovely weather. Say sweet words to one another. Hold you closer and never let you go. No matter what they say, I want you. No matter how they feel, I need you. I'll do it
Well, good morning to you too.
just to be with you. And the most of all,
How did you get in?
Oh, it seems like you've forgotten already. You guys got so drunk I had to bring you to your room.
You touched me.
That was the only way to get you here.
You have no right to touch me without my permission. Okay? Gosh, my head hurt.
Yes, I know. This will help.
always and
There you go.
forever with you. No matter what they say, I want you.
Where are my friends?
How they feel,
They already left.
I need you.
You'll need to take a shower.
And how is that your business? It's my body.
That's why you should. I'll be outside.
I love you, baby. I love you.
Tell you how far now. Eh?
Barry, I'm off today. I'm trying to sleep.
Hey, you are off. Okay, so now that you're off now, how is your new girlfriend doing?
Today is going to be Christmas for that girl. She's going to go all the way to the sky. I don't give her any space at all. And then in turn, she's choking me with all the smoke in the world.
Now, wow. But wait, though. If she's really that problematic, then why would her father let her stay alone?
For the same reason you're talking about, because the father knows she gives a lot of problems. He prefers she's far away, so he can be free.
Wait, are you being serious? Are you joking?
Observing the whole scenario, that's what I think. I'm home, sir. I'm off today. Is everything okay, sir? What? I'll be there right away, sir. It's just been 4 hours since I left this girl and she's on... Oh my God, she's in trouble.
Are you serious? Where are you going now?
What is wrong with you? I leave you for 4 hours and you're in police detention. I have had no sleep. You've had me running around to bail you out. Now you understand why I'm supposed to be around you 247.
Kelvin, you got me out of the cell, okay? That does not give you the right to talk to me like this. You know my father. I hate when people call me, okay? Excuse me.
You are a beautiful young woman with your entire future ahead of you. I am worried about you. Your father is worried about you. Have you ever sat down to think about your life and your future? Why do you do these things? Looks like you've had it all planned out and you wake up in the morning and say, okay, today I'm going to cause this trouble. Tomorrow I'm going to cause this trouble. What do you want? Attention?
Kelvin, live your life and stay out of mine, okay? Who are you?
Your breath stinks and you stink. You need to take a shower.
Oh, please excuse me.
I came to wait for you because I knew I would find you here. Who the hell do you think you are? What gave you the right to talk to my sister like that? Why did you touch her?
I'm sorry, sir. What seems to be the problem?
You should be asking this thing and not me.
Alright, but I'm asking you now, what's the problem?
She and her friends teamed up together and beat my sister. As I speak to you now, she's in the hospital. Can you imagine that? So you think I can do away with like I can get away with that? Okay, what's wrong with you?
Sorry, sir, I don't want any trouble.
It's fine.
What is the name of the hospital?
St. Luke's Hospital.
I'll make sure we come to the hospital tomorrow and take your sister. I'll suggest you leave now.
It's okay. But so you know, it's not over. Watch your back, because this is not over. I'll come back for you. When you walk on the street, look behind you. I'll come back for you. It's not over. Nonsense.
What? Why are you looking at me like that?
Because I know you did it.
Oh no, I did not. Oh, so you want to tell me you believe that guy? That guy is a psycho. Why do you have to believe him? Please.
When we stay together.
Let's go.
Feel the lovely weather. Say sweet words to one another. Hold you closer and never let you go. No matter what they say, I want you. No matter how they feel, I need you.
Kelvin, you are making me uncomfortable. Can you please go get somewhere else to stand?
This is where I'm supposed to be.
Kelvin, this is my house and I decide what happens here.
This is your father's house and I don't take orders from you.
Kelvin! I live in this house, not my father. And I decide what happens here.
If you live in this house and you have the power to control your circumstances. Looking at things, you don't even have the power to fire me, so that makes him your father. As I said, I don't take orders from you, I take orders from your father and he's already given me orders.
Then suit your damn self. Gosh!
So, Kevin, How are you and how's my daughter?
Your daughter is doing very well, so we're getting along very well.
Great, I can see. You know, you've become a family now. And I am so excited at what you're doing with my daughter. Such transformation in such a short time. You're a magician, Kevin.
I really appreciate that, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. I just want to appreciate you. A little token, here what? Check your balance. It's nothing. It's nothing for the work you're doing. Your family. And I am happy. More will be coming in as you keep working.
So let me just go back to do what you're paying me for.
So bye now. All right, so see you later.
All right,
Maybe I might walk around there for dinner. Oh, gosh, that's impressive. That's impressive in such a short time. My daughter has been transformed to a human being, actually. Thank you.
And why do you have that smile on your face?
Your father just gave me half a million naira.
So because of a merely 500,000 naira, that's why you're just smiling like this?
Well, the money solved some problems. Paid my rent, paid hospital bills, paid school fees. Took care of some people.
Oh, really? Okay. And so what?
And so is just the fulfillment I get from the work. Like when you work and you get your wages. You use your wages to do something meaningful. It just gives you this fulfillment.
I know for poor people like you, but you know my father is a billionaire, so I don't have to work.
Well, maybe that is the only part where I have a problem with your father. Because he gives you everything you want. When you want it. But you strike me as a young lady who's in search of adventure. And as you're seeking this adventure, you still feel empty. Well, I'll tell you why. It's because true adventure is only found in responsibility. You can never enjoy the thrill of an adventure without responsibility. Take a cigarette and drink alcohol all day or be on social media. Human beings are built to take on Herculean tasks. That is where they derive the true meaning of themselves. They need to find something to work on. They always need to find something difficult to do. And it is in this quest that you derive the true meaning of your life. And that is where you derive the true adventure you're looking for. So, don't think I can do whatever I want whenever I want. No, you can't. You can't, neither can anybody else. Because laws govern things. And you thinking you can do whatever you want whenever you want. Because you want that roller coaster, thrilling moment, adrenaline rush. That is why you feel empty inside. Because there's no responsibility, there's no work. What you feel you are gaining from the job versus you just sitting around doing nothing. You understand what I'm saying better. only if you find a job. Don't argue with me. If you doubt what I'm saying, just like what every scientist will do. They'll experiment it. They'll try it over and over again, and then if it works, they bring it out to the public and say, this is true. So, if you're looking for that fulfillment, you're looking for that essence in life, the true meaning of your life, let's start step by step. Just get a job. A job that will challenge you. And then work at it every day. And tell me if what I'm saying is true or not. Always remember, the true meaning in life and the adventure in life is only found in responsibility. You're almost done. You got it.
Come back. Listen, come back. I'm in the mood.
Let's go.
Don't do this to me, babe. What's
I'm
up?
not in the mood.
Let's just do it for
please.
once. Come back to
No,
me.
I don't want.
Babe, let me tell you something. I'm just in the mood right now.
I don't want. Get out. Get out.
I'm not going outside.
I said get out.
Babe, stop this.
I don't want. Get out. What's wrong with you?
Why are you doing this? Just calm down and let's do it.
I'm not in the mood. No.
Babe, why are you doing this?
No. Get out. No. Get out.
I'm not getting out. Please, young man. Please stay away from our business, okay? You've done enough. This is my woman. Don't make me get physical with you. I'm definitely coming back for you.
Kelvin, can I have a word with you?
What is it?
Can I ask you for a favor?
That's very unusual.
Can you please not tell my dad what happened earlier? Please, or else he will force me back to the house. Please.
Oh, so you do have a soft spot for your dad. You don't want to go back to the house. But you want to continue your lifestyle. Oh, well, that's interesting. Natasha, my job here is to fix things. I am not employed to go back to your father to tell your father what the problem is. Your father already knows you. And he knows you're a troublemaker. That is why I'm here. And if you don't want a bodyguard, I suggest you get yourself a job and you have no bodyguard. How lucky you are to even have a father who's alive, who's well connected. Why can't you detach yourself from this life? Is it too difficult? Maybe it's just a phase you're going through. But as I was saying, the more you get things into your own hands, the more you will not have people being your bodyguards. The more you're going to be free, and the more you're not going to be scared to go back to the house. You know why that guy did that to you the last time? That is because you let him into your world. Tasha, this is a very hierarchical world we live in. People are not equal. You let them in your life, you are giving them full authority to do whatever they want in your life. You're letting them come in to ruin you, you're letting them come in to destroy you, and that is why the guy did what he did, because you let him. Just be careful the kind of friends you choose. Friends are dangerous. Sorry, I'm boring you now. Don't worry, I'm not going to tell your dad anything.
Thank you.
You're my everything, and everything is you. You're my everything, and everything is you. Ooh, you're my everything, and everything is you. Sitting down here, think about the time we spent together. Pick up my phone, dial your number. Hey, just wanna holler. Now I got the clue. Oh baby, see, I miss you. I don't know what to do. Oh baby, see, I miss you now. Don't you ever take away that smile. No matter how it feels, we could work it out. Oh baby, you and I just work things out. Just work things out. 'Cause you're my everything.
Drunk. We're gonna leave soon.
Let go of me. Don't touch me. What's wrong with you?
Excuse me, sir, what are you doing?
Young man, this is my woman. And we have both agreed to go to her house this night.
Sir, you already know the rules, please. I'm responsible for her, please. Okay. Sorry, Tash, we need to go now. Come on. Sir should see you at home, okay? Come on, Tash. Enough of this. So we have to take her home now, okay? Come on. Come on.
Can never live without you. Girl, you know it's so true. Girl, you are my lady. Show you are my lady. Place no one above you. Since the day I found you. Girl, you are my lady. Show you are my lady. Gotta let you know I'm gonna love you like never before. Treat you good, show you the world. Yes, it's true. Everything you want, baby, I do for you. Oh my, everything you want, baby, I do. Oh, gotta let you know I made a reservation for two. Oh baby, I wanna spend my whole life with you. Yes, it's true. Everything you want, baby, I do. Oh my, for you. Can never live without you. Girl, you know it's so true. Girl, you are my lady. You are my lady. There's no one above you. Since the day I found you. Girl, you are my lady. Show you are my lady. Can never live without you. Girl, you know it's so true. You are my lady. You are my lady. There's no one above you. Since the day I found you. Girl, you are my lady. Show you are my lady. Girl, let me show. When we stay together, feel the lovely weather. Say sweet words to one another. Hold you closer and never let you go. No matter what they say, I want you. No matter how they feel, I need you. I'll do every little thing just to be with you. And the most of all, I love you, baby. I love you. Getting closer.
Yes, Dr. Bruce. Very well, thank you. Doctor, I have a bit of a situation. You don't need to cry. Look, Natasha, I'm not here to scold you, okay? They say when you're trying to teach a child something and the child refuses to learn, it gets to a point where you have to leave the child for life. Very, very unfortunate why you have to let it get to this point before you start regretting. Just because you're stubborn, just because she won't listen, just because you're bad friends. If you have a God, this is the time to thank Him. Because at least you don't have cirrhosis yet. One more glass of alcohol, and you have to do dialysis. Sorry. I'm really sorry about this, but you saw it for yourself, you saw the report for yourself. Now is the time to make a decision. I cannot choose for you. I cannot force you to say this or that. You have the power to make the choice. They say people always face reality. People come to their senses when they experience a near-death experience. So now that you know that this at least should scare you enough, You saw the results yourself. The liver is damaged. Damaged. You put yourself at risk. You put everybody around you at risk. Your dad is disappointed. Natasha, come on. Let me get you something to drink. Easy. Slowly. Let me get your drugs.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we should start with these first. Yeah.
Kevin, you truly got saint. Thank you for everything. And I promise you, I won't take this for granted. Thank you.
Natasha, you need to learn that everything happens for a reason. And first of all, your father is a very good man. Your father and I are now like family, which pretty much makes us family. So I've grown to genuinely care about you, and I think you need to take a lot of responsibility in your hands and take care of yourself.
I will. Kelvin, I'm amazed at my friends. Do you know, since they heard of my illness, they've not called to check on me or even come around to see how I'm doing.
Fortunately, that is how the world is. Some of the most difficult relationships you come across are friends. Friends who are really there because of who you are, not because of what you have. So you're going to do a little trick. You're going to pretend that you're still sick even after you recover for about 3 weeks. And then you're going to observe them to see if they're going to come around and help in any way they can. If they don't, then you can conclude that these people were just there because of the money and because of the fun and not because of who you really are.
Yes, I do think it's because of my money. Yeah. Oh, Dad! You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine, Daddy. How are you too?
Oh, I'm good.
Okay. Daddy, you're looking good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where is Kelvin?
Daddy, I'm fine. Oh yeah. Kelvin went to the supermarket down the road to get some things for the house.
You're not sending him on errands?
No, Daddy, no. I did not send him. He opted to go on his own.
Oh well. I hope so. So where's that? Oh, here he comes. Ah, Kelvin.
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you, Kelvin. I hear you now run around for my daughter.
Daddy.
Oh, she wasn't feeling too well. I just thought I'd go down the road.
It's okay. So Natasha, how you doing? What's the problem?
Daddy, I'm happy you came because I wanted to stop by the office. Daddy, I'm trying to get a job.
Really? She wants a job? That's your handiwork. Hmm? So, why don't you come work for the company?
Daddy, you're joking.
Why should I joke?
Daddy, thank you!
Thank you.
Daddy, thank you so much.
It is your handiwork. You're doing a good job. This turnaround is so smooth.
I'm just doing my job, sir.
He's just doing his job. That's good. Great.
Daddy, I promise you, I will do my best. I won't disappoint you, I swear.
Well, since you're okay, I'll start going now.
Oh no, Daddy, don't go. I'm preparing lunch, something delicious. So I'd like you to stay and have lunch with us.
Natasha is preparing something.
Yes, Daddy.
That's amazing. I'll wait. I will wait.
Okay, let me go check on the food.
Okay. Oh.
Daddy, what? Why are you surprised?
It's
Come on,
okay.
babe. I'll be right back.
Natasha preparing something. That's like squeezing water out of stone. You're doing a good job, son. You're doing a good job. I'm so impressed.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Great.
Well, good morning.
Good morning, Kelvin. So tell me, how do I look?
You look incredibly beautiful.
Oh, really? Thank you.
You actually look like a CEO who's about to take over the world.
And truly, I can't wait to take over the world. I'm hungry for success.
The world is not enough.
I know. Bella is calling me.
Well, pick it up.
No, I don't have time for all this. I'm in the mood for work right now. Let's go.
Oh, that's my angel.
Good morning, buddy.
Wow. You're looking so dashing, my dear. Sit down.
Thank you, Daddy.
You know, I am so happy the way you turned out now.
Thank you, Daddy.
It's so beautiful. You made me a very happy father.
Thank you, sir.
All right. You will go to your office now.
Okay.
Let me call the HR. Hello, Sam. Come over. Now, I've got you a pen, a 75 naira pen, 75,000 naira pen for your office, huh? Don't worry, I send it to you. Okay.
Thank you, Daddy.
So when you go out now,
okay,
to your right,
okay,
is where the HR is.
Okay.
And he will take you to your office, my dear.
That's fine, Daddy. Thank you.
All right, sir. Welcome to work.
Thank you, Daddy.
All right, okay.
Hi, Kelvin. Is Natasha home? I've been trying to reach her. Her phones are not reachable.
Oh, Natasha has gone to work.
Work? When did she start working?
What, you mean she works now? Where?
She works at her father's company. Oh, you didn't know?
I mean, we've been trying to reach her and her phones are not reachable.
Well, that is very, very surprising and concerning how close you are. But you see, when the star is up, everyone comes around. When the star drops, nowhere to be found. Your friend is actually very disappointed in you too. And she's not in the right frame to be talking with you right now. Natasha moved on.
I don't understand. What did we do to her?
That would be a question you have to ask yourselves. There'll be a question you have to ponder on.
But, what? You mean?
That is exactly what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, when the star is up, everybody comes around. When the star drops, nowhere to be found. And if you open your ears and listen to the words I'm telling you, your friend is disappointed in you too. She's found the light. She's moved on. But I'm going to ask her to talk to you. Because what is the point of finding a light and not sharing it with your friends? But I'm not too sure she'll be moving along with you two anytime soon.
Who's this guy? What are you talking about?
I said I will tell her to reach out.
You will tell my own friend to reach out to me?
Where was your own friend when she was down? Where were you when your friend was down?
You're speaking in parables.
So go figure it out. God
Girl,
bless.
please, let's go. What's wrong with you?
Kevin? Who was that?
It was nobody. I was just looking outside.
Oh, okay.
So you said you were going to tell me how your first day at work was?
Yes, you better come. Come, let me tell you.
Well,
and promise me you won't laugh. Promise me you're not gonna laugh.
Oh, that sounds very interesting.
Bye. So I was at the office today. So the secretary was like, where are the files? I'm like, oh, files. I don't know where I can. Yes, the daddy was like, what's wrong with you, Natasha? I'm like, Daddy, I really don't know where I kept the file. Yes, it was like, well, I'm like, Daddy, I don't know where I kept the file. What do you want me to do? It was like, then go and look for it. I'm like, what do you want me to go and look for the file? It was like, Natasha, go and find it anywhere you want. You don't want to hear the rest of it. I was just, oh my God. Thanks. Life is crazy, man. I was like, really?
So, I've been thinking and I've been looking at the timelines and looking at the progression of how things are going. You've come a very, very long way. You're very willing and very eager with a lot of enthusiasm in you. I see a completely different Natasha now. And I believe we've come to the end of the road.
What do you mean, end of the road?
Sasha, I've seen how things have been very fast. I can proudly say I'm very proud of you. I can go out there and boast about you even. Thank God I did a good job. So your father has been very good to me, and I have a little money now, and I have to leave you.
Like, you're leaving to where?
Natasha, I have dreams. I have things I dream of, things I need to achieve. And, I'm getting very old. And I need to make these dreams come true before
Okay, Kelvin, can I suggest something? Okay. Okay, fine. I can talk to my dad and he can get you a job in the company. And besides, I just started working there. So I need you around me, like to motivate me, to encourage me, like to support me. Natasha, you don't have to go.
I'm always going to be there to support you, to encourage you, to motivate you. Everything. I'm just a phone call away. You need any assistance, you let me know, okay? But I can't be in the company. The company is far from my dreams. Your dad's company doesn't even need that much of security job anyway. It's all set.
Kevin, please don't do this. Please, I beg of you.
But Natasha, this is the freedom you've always been looking for, isn't it? You've always wanted to be free. You wanted a space.
Kevin, No.
independent, and this is it.
Kelvin, no. Please, I beg you. I still want you around. Besides, you're not stopping me in any way. I'm fine. I'm fine with you being around me. Trust me, I'm fine. Please just don't go. Please.
That's very, very interesting. But Natasha, I have to go. I need you to understand. I have to start building this dream as soon as possible.
Oh, Kevin. I've heard all you said. I actually had wanted to appreciate what you've done for my family by giving me a job in the company.
Sir, I really do appreciate your generosity, your kindness, and everything. I can't even be more grateful. Words can't even express how much you've made me feel, sir. But I'd like to test fresh waters.
Okay. I can see I can change your mind now. But thank you for all you've done. Thank you. Yeah, just a minute now.
But so we are still family, and I mean, I'm just a phone call away. Anything you need, just let me know and I'll be of service.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I just sent a token to your phone to help you start your security company. Just a token.
But sir, you didn't have to. I mean, after all what you've done for me, this you.
What's that?
I'm sorry, sir. I think there must have been a mistake.
No, there's no mistake.
So there's
no mistake.
There's a 15 million.
It's just a token for you to add to what you have to start your security company. Come here, my boy. Come here, you've done well.
God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, oh my God.
It's okay. I wish you the best in your future endeavors, okay? Thank you, Kelvin.
God bless you.
But Daddy, how could you? You should have tried to convince them to stay.
I did my best. He wanted to leave. I had a choice to leave. You know, in life, there are people whom you want to stay, but they don't stay. And if they leave, you allow them to leave. He's a fine gentleman, but he didn't want to stay. Don't worry, sweetheart. Don't worry yourself. You are the most important person. You are the most. Right?
Oh,
now,
Daddy.
if he is meant to come back to you, he will come back. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. He will either come back or you find someone else.
Kelvin, I don't want to believe this is foolishness because I know you're not foolish. But is it pride? Because how on earth would you reject such an offer? Okay, let me say you want to start a security business. It's fine. But at least you would have still been working with the man now. At least stay with him while you figure out your security business and start it up.
The entire relationship ended on a very good note. The trust was there. Everything was intact. It was just perfect time for me to leave. Besides, if you observe his company closely, they don't really need security like that. So if I had agreed to work there, it's just going to be a little bit waste of I don't want to say waste of my time for it to sound, like I am But listen, I told him I'm around anytime he needs me, he should give me a call, so The relationship is open. 50 million naira. Barry.
See, you have a point. Yes, I understand. But my problem is that 50 million naira. Are you sure it will be enough for you to start up this your security business? You know you still have to hire people. You still get office. You still buy gadgets now. I know how this thing works.
Barry, that is not how it works. You don't use the entire 50 million to go and buy and get an office and get your entire staff. That's not how it works. You start very little and then you build it from there. That is just enough to start something little, and then we're going to start growing it from there. You're not going to use all the 50 million to go and hire all your staff, bring everything together all at once. Oh.
It's fine. If you say so, it's okay. Just that, as your friend, I'm concerned. That's why I asked.
You're too worried. You're too worried.
No, I'm fine. Now that you've explained it, I'm better now. I want to ask you a question. So what will now happen to Natasha?
When we stay together, feel the lovely weather, say sweet words to one another, hold you closer and never let you go. No matter what they say, I want you. No matter how they feel, I need you. I'll do every little thing just to be with you.
Sorry, it's locked.
And where are the keys?
I can't give them to you.
What happened to my drinks in my bedroom and in the kitchen?
Got rid of them.
And why will you do that?
Because these very drinks are getting rid of your liver. These very drinks have already destroyed and ruined your entire liver. Your liver needs healing. Can you at least be more generous, and more careful, and more appreciative of those around you? Can you stop being selfish? Selfish to the very organs in your body. Sorry.
Oh, no, you can stay. Kelvin, actually, I prepared the food for you.
Oh.
Kelvin, it's just a way to show appreciation for all you've been doing for me. Honestly, Kelvin, you've done so much for me. This is just my way of saying thank you. You can eat.
Oh, you shouldn't have. You did this yourself.
Yes, I did. You can sit down and eat.
So you know how to cook?
Of course, I can cook. Try it and see.
Can never live without you. Girl, you know it's so true. Girl, you are my lady. Show you are my lady. Place no one above you.
Yes, I did.
Show you are my lady. Gotta let you know. I'm gonna love you.
I mean, this feels very awkward.
I'm a chef. You can try it and see for yourself.
Baby, I do for you. Oh my, everything you want, baby, I do. Oh, gotta let you know I made a reservation for two.
Wow.
Oh baby, I wanna spend my whole life with you. Yes, it's true.
Why don't I get
everything you want, baby, I do. Oh my, for you. Can never live without you. Girl, you know it's so true. Girl, you are my lady. You are my lady. You place no one above you. Since the day I found you. Girl, you are my lady. show you I'm my lady. Can never live without you. Girl, you know it's so true. Girl, you are my lady. Show you I'm my lady. Place no one above you. Since the day I found you. Girl, you are my lady. Show you I'm my lady. Girl, let me show.
Kelvin, please come and have a seat with me.
Oh,
No, it's fine because I can see you're really enjoying the movie. It's fine. It's fine.
it's really funny.
I know. Just come and have a seat. It's fine. Come and sit.
Feel the lovely weather. Say sweet words to one another. Hold you closer and never let you go. No matter what they say, I want you. No matter how they feel, I need you. I'll do every little thing just to be with you. And the most of all, I love you, babe. I love you. Getting closer and closer. Always and forever with you. Don't wanna be with another. No. Always and forever with you. No matter what they say, I want you. No matter how they feel, I need you. I'll do every little thing just to be with you. And the most of all, I love you, baby. You're my everything, and everything is you. You're my everything, and everything is you. You're my everything, and everything is you. Ooh, you're my everything, and everything is you. Oh, sitting down here, think about the time we spent together. Pick up my phone, dial your number. Hey, just wanna holler. Now I got the clue, oh baby, see, I miss you. I don't know what to do, oh baby, see, I miss you now. Don't you ever take away that smile. No matter how it feels, we could work it out. Oh baby.
Hey, girl, just be serious. No, make me understand. Are you for real?
Barry, I can't stop thinking about this girl. Feels like I'm under a spell.
It's like you're out of your senses. Oh, okay. Is it because you now have 50 million naira, you now think you can convert anybody? Kevin, wait. That girl is not your class. Don't forget. You're way bigger than her. Okay? What are you talking about now? Just make me understand. Which one is you can't. I want to know where you're coming from. Is this?
Barry, I'm in love.
You're in love with this same Natasha.
Barry, there's no other. I can't explain this in any other way. However way I feel this, if this is how they say love is, I promise, Barry, I have to go. I have to go.
You have to go where?
I have to go and see her.
Kevin. Kevin!
You're my everything, and everything is you. You're my everything, and everything is you. You're my everything, and everything is you. Ooh, you're my everything, and everything is you. Sitting down here, think about the time we spent together. Pick up my phone, dial your number. Hey, just wanna holler. Now I got the clue. Oh baby, see, I miss you. I don't know what to do. Oh baby, see, I miss you now. Don't you ever take away that smile. No matter how it feels, we could work it out. Oh baby, you and I just work things out. Just work things out. 'Cause you're my everything, and everything is you. You're my everything, you're my everything.
Why did you stop?
I don't know. I feel like I'm taking advantage.
You're not. I want you.
I love you, Natasha.
I love you too.
How do you know?
I don't know. I just feel it.
I miss you now. Don't you ever take away that smile. No matter how it feels, we could work it out. Oh baby, you and I just work things out. Just work things out. 'Cause you're my everything, and everything is you. You're my everything. You're my everything, and everything is you. And everything is you. You're my everything, and everything is you. You're my everything, everything is you. Everything. You're my everything, everything, everything is you. Everything. You're my everything, everything, everything is you. Everything is you. You're my everything, everything, everything is you.